I have got a really messy kitchen, and I thought I would share it with you just because I want you to know that real life happens here just like it does everywhere else. And my first thought was, okay, Denise, make some coffee and clean it up. And then I thought, no, you guys need to see what real life looks like in my house, because as I said, real life happens here too. So I'm going to go ahead and make the coffee and go ahead and get started getting this mess cleaned up. So come along with me and clean with me. And if nothing else, hopefully it'll give you a little cleaning motivation not to leave it overnight in your house. So let's get it started. These first sips are like the nectar of the gods. Oh my goodness. Now that I've had a few sips, I'm going to get busy cleaning up this kitchen. And I think what I'll do first is just clear off this counter behind me so that at least I have one clear spot. And then I'll take care of the things in the sink and then move over to that counter. I'll just kind of work clockwise. Let's get it started. Well, I've got all these dishes washed, and if you were wondering why I didn't unload my dishwasher first, because I do need to do that, my counters were such a mess, I didn't even have space to unload my dishwasher. So now I'm going to get these dishes dried up and the pots and pans dried up, and then I'll wipe my counters down and shine my sink. In case you're wondering about these nice big dishcloths, I got these from the Grove Collaborative for, I believe it was maybe last fall. I'm not sure, but I really like them. They're nice and absorbent, and they're huge. That's the biggest thing that I like about them. But an important thing to remember when you buy new towels is you need to wash them first, otherwise they won't be very absorbent. And then here you can see my Curtis Stone pot. I love using that cookware. I think I'll just put these veggies in the sink. I'll rinse them off a little bit, and then I'm going to put them in the fridge until I decide what I'm going to cook with them. I've got a zucchini, 2 zucchinis, some summer squash, a cucumber, and a gourd or some kind of a pumpkin kind of thing. So I'm going to figure out what I can do with those. But in the meantime, I'm going to get them rinsed off so I can put them in the fridge. They still have a lot of dirt on them. I'm looking forward to using this eggplant. Isn't it beautiful? Just beautiful. I love the color of it too. So let's get these in the fridge. I can sit down and relax now. My kitchen is clean. I can enjoy my second cup of coffee, and it just feels so good that my kitchen's giving me a nice big hug. And it feels so good to sit down and be able to relax and enjoy. That first cup of coffee was like sipping while I was zipping around cleaning. But this one, I can sit here and relax. I'll get my calendar out. I'll take a look at what I need to do for the day. But most importantly, my kitchen is clean. And I'm so glad about that. If you enjoyed this cleaning video, if you got some cleaning motivation, I've got some other cleaning videos that I will share with you. One of them is my spring cleaning series, and the other is my moonlight clean with me. I will link them above and below, so please check them out. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, my homemaking sisters and brothers, I will see you in the next video.